Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
ICFA University, Meghalaya.
The all-new Banalari Nexa showroom is now open at Mauyongrim near ISBT. Explore premium Nexa cars, book your favorite, and take a test drive. Nexa. Create, inspire.
The next-gen Tata Tiago. Dual-tone interior, dual smartphone deck but wireless charger, blind view monitor, bakiway. Tek kum ki kaliram, hagador ke bejam, tak sao point riulak. Just wow.
President kanyo trap integrated territorial organization of Badan Bok Dakar, ula syakot ngobha bansaki. Ika jingale kai semi-final haka Spandan League district level volleyball tournament. Long, Dakatanat Shipai Border Security Force but ka Sports Authority of India, kablalong Hanigrams Indoor Stadium. Kidan kumbalik po atli kinhon kabiyashim benta hagari kalimpung ilakai, kabakathong jong katanat Shipai BSF kalong, but I mean see mikisamna shinrang but kintay hagijing ilakai sports mapera-per.
See, under aegis of Sports Authority of India, BSF organized this Spandan volleyball tournament wherein 32 teams from various parts of Meghalaya took part, and we got really good response in both boys and girls section. The competition was in senior girls, senior boys and junior girls, junior boys. Tomorrow we'll have final ceremony, that is final matches and closing ceremony, and BSF is taking all the efforts and conducting so many sports events like volleyball. We will be conducting basketball also, and then football. So it's part of our efforts to engage with local population in meaningful way and encourage sports overall. Thank you.
Jungi dapda ka jung snat buka jung sukmet ba nakaliang jung ki BSF kila khot ban ya dan lang hakan dika Spandan League ka baya dei baka volleyball kila khot ingi komu pongsan ban ya dan benta hoi ngi la wan sakhi bat ki tenat ni wan hang ni ban ai men sien ni ki kon samlam dei tang jong ka brih nyotrep men rei habrok ka ki jong ki wei ki ba wan ye shem benta tengi nakal le liang jugim dan dei ngi sukmen ba ngi dang yai kan tui ki kon samla ki badon hakaliang jong sport ki ba ki de ben yashim benta la dah ka volleyball ne rugby ne ka football rup te nakaliang singim dan e banong ta tang katai ngi sokmen bangi syakot ba ngidang ai mesim pu ki kon samla be ki dang ya chikmat but ki de ben yashim benta la dah gidon kinu ki game ban khanang ban ra ya ka burom ka nam jong ka jelahi bat jong ka brih nyotra ki brok we blish bon sejar.
Kanong ba bernihan kadon ha uput usam ha pedeng ka Assam bat Meghalaya ka we ka them artli ki jila ha ka benta jong ka Assam dan kumba ar phaudli ki karkhana red category bat ka Central Pollution Control Board kalapin banaya ka te ka than kum ka jaka ka belong critically pollutant hang ta ka don ka air quality monitor ka balapin pau ya ka khubor bala pau perthai ha ka benta jong ka Meghalaya pan dan tang santali ki karkhana red category ka jo ka le air ka baya bentalang hinrai ka jingmi jabo ka ya pher dena kata ka daw kini artli ki jila menta kis dang pen khre banthau ya ka joint action plan